We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Power Hour live trading series finale is happening right now. Just an update. I'll be live trading right now, and we're doing it. I'm using Trade-O-Vate. I've been using that right now, so you'll see me use that. I just need to get some things out of the way. I'll be out the country officially, so you won't see me on YouTube for 3 months lives. I'll be back in September. The lives are moving to Instagram. Day Trade Professor. I'll be live Tuesday, Friday. Doesn't matter where I am. Just need to let you guys know that. Madam, make sure I say that 3 times. 3 times, 3 times. So we are trading, and I have some questions for you. We have MES on the board. We're doing futures, micros right here. So I'm going to ask you guys, and I need you when you're done with the live over there on Instagram and X to do a poll. I have questions for you before we start doing this. Because right now, by the way, my phone and smartboard is linked now. So when I take a trade here, you will see it happen on the smartboard. Boom. As of now, I'm not in anything, as you can see. I'll zoom in. You'll see it. You'll hear the noise, the whole 9 yards. I'm not in anything. So, this is what I'm going to ask for you. What's up, Graham? What's up? Oh, my bad, everyone. What's up, Merlin, Carlos, David? David is asking, Professor, can you please explain how you draw your zones, especially the time frame you use and your overall approach? Thanks, man. David, I'm not going to do that here. I already made the levels, already made my zones. You're a mentorship student on the secret Instagram. There's a video in our private videos. You'll see it there. Madam, can you make a poll?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you what the poll's going to be. I want to ask you guys for some advice on what you want. So, like I said, I'll be leaving for Mexico, and you'll see me there. What I want to do is film 30 days of content of me live trading, recording it, behind the scenes, Mexico, the whole 9 yards, 30 days. But I want a realistic approach. I'm going to test out prop firm. I'll do it through a prop firm. Yeah, I'll do it all. That's what you guys have been asking. I want to give you what you want. So what I want to ask you is, what's realistic for you? I'm going to do prop firms, okay? I'm going to pick a prop firm. I'm going to test it out and do all that. But my question to you all is, what do you want me to trade with? I want it to be realistic. I trade NQ. I made a little bit already today. And I've been testing out Trade-O-Vate, playing with prop firms. So what I'm going to ask you again is, make ready for the poll? Do you want me to do MES during the 30 days or NQ? Guys, wait for the poll to drop. Wait for the poll to drop. NQ or MES? What do you want me to do? And then a second poll.
Do you want MES or NQ?
NQ. What do you want me to do for 30 days? Because I know you want MES. I don't trade MES. I'm doing NQ.
In Mexico.
In Mexico. So let me know that. And also, realistically, what's a good contract size for you? I want to show you the point of this 30-day thing that I'm doing is, you'll see the P&L, the breakdown, the win rate, the profit factor, all of it. I want to create content for you. By the way, there's nothing to do right now. We're consolidating. We're back in that zone. What I want to do for you is, what's realistic? 10 contracts, 20 contracts, MES. Did you make the poll? There it is. So MES. Now, in 2 minutes, make another poll. How many contracts in MES? You could do 4 options. 10, 20, 30, 40. NQ been good? Aaron, you should not be doing NQ. You should not be doing NQ.
It doesn't let me do another poll, but I can do like a Q&A.
Do a Q&A. So my point is, let me know, what do you want me to do? What you want me to do? Just flood the chat. I'll make it easy. Make the thing, but I'll flood the chat. Flood the chat. What's a good number for you? Realistic. Let's make it realistic. I want to show someone with $1,000 buying a prop firm, $1,000, and in 30 days, what can we turn that 1,000 into? I want to show you all what's possible. Again, MES, not NQ. What just happened to the chat, madam? What'd you just do?
I don't control that.
No, I know, you just did something. What just happened? Uh-oh. And the chat's gone.
I think it just glitched.
No, it didn't glitch. It's that thing you just did, Q&A. Hold on, watch this, watch this. I'll end the Q&A.
There we go.
See? Don't do that again.
Okay, well, you told me to.
No, I know. I'm just saying. All right, 10. So 10. So 10 is reasonable. All right, fine. I'll do 10 here. So today is going to be a test run. Today is going to be a test run. Today is going to be a test run of it. 1 to 3 good trades, 10 contract, guys. MES, I'm not doing one contract. No, I'm not sitting there for one contract. Professor, that coat looks nice, thank you. So there you go. Madam, do me a favor, drop the link to the free course. For those that have no money, free course. By the way, we're consolidating. For those saying shut up and trade, I can't. It's consolidating. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. Again, reminder, this is the finale live. I will not be in the country. I'm leaving for Mexico. So 10. Ultimately, I see 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm not doing one, folks. That's a little insane. I ain't doing one. I'm not doing one. 10 is doable. Can't do anything. I'm using the Z Fold 6 here. I'm using the Z Fold 6. Is dinner ready after this? Madam? Is dinner ready after this? Yeah.
Yeah, I can make it.
Okay, thank you. By the way, if you want to know my levels, I got 5,990 and I got 5,977.25. MES, anything under 10, I'd say is too low. I agree. YouTube has a delay, Lawrence. Of course, everything live has a delay. Everything live has a delay. Everything live. Can't do anything yet. I ultimately want to take a short around the 5990. That's what I ultimately want. We have time. We have time. That's what most of our new traders start with. No, I know that, Frank. I know that, but I want to show someone because MES, it's $1,000 for 10 contracts. $1,000. That $1,000. What can I do with $1,000 actively trading the market? That's what I want to show you for 30 days. Again, it won't be live. It'll be live recorded, but you'll see it August 1st. Episodes will drop. It won't be live. Professor, did you only do... No, Jonathan, I got more. 6,008 and 5,951. Looking like you want some cookies. No, maybe this weekend we'll go. You want cookies this weekend? Culture? Or maybe another one?
Yeah, I saw another place that.
All right, this weekend maybe. Jonathan, I answered you. Can't do anything. Consolidating. Remember, what's my favorite word of the day? What is my favorite word of the day? Good to see you live, Professor. Thank you. You're welcome. We'll be moving the lives to Instagram starting next week. Next Tuesday, I'll be live, but in Mexico. Next Tuesday, I'll be live, but in Mexico. I want to take this short right now, but I don't like it. I want to take this short right now, but I don't like it. I don't like it, baby. I could take it now. All right, I'm in the trade. 10 contracts. I'm in. Stop loss above that zone. And there we go. Madam, you don't want to record this?
I'm live on both phones.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. We'll take profit at the end of that zone. There it is. The P&L is right here, 112 bucks, and P&L right here. You see the P&L in two areas. I'm in. I truly wanted it to close below. I like it. By the way, I'm using Tradeovate. I needed this to link. I like that. Close below that zone. Sorry, close below that level at 5,997. Madam, you can monitor the chat and reply to them whatever they're saying because I'm in this trade right now. Can I get water, please? Again, if you can't see the P&L, $125, 10 contracts. Each contract costs, I believe, $50 on Tradeovate. Take profit is bottom of that zone. That's our take profit because it's been bouncing within that zone, as you can see. So that is our take profit, bottom of that zone right there. Here we go, 187, $200. Here we go, about ready to hit sell. Once it hits the bottom of that zone, I'm out this trade. You can see the running P&L here and here. You shouldn't fixate on that, but I know some of you fixate on these things. Make sure I'm not in a trade before 350. The volatility gets crazy at 350. Just make sure I'm not in anything at 350, please. Thank you. I don't like all this sideways. I don't like all this sideways. You know, it's funny, when I say I don't like this sideways, when I'm trading by myself, I hit sell.
Then why don't you hit sell?
I should have hit sell, you're right. I told you, when that camera's on, I don't know what it is. The professor comes out, I'm the trader. We're still in profits. Stop loss is above 5997. 5977.
Contracts on MES is 1 on ES.
Sorry?
They're asking if 10 contracts on.
Oh, I can't. Don't make me do math right now, please.
Yeah.
I don't like all this chop. I'll zoom in for you guys. Again, if you can see, I got in right there. 10 contracts at 5,976.25. My entry. The 330 volatility just kicked into. Today's Friday, right? Yeah. Projecting that resistance level at 5,977. That's a strong resistance. Battling it. Trying again to battle it, as you can see. Did we do a good job on that level at 5,977? Look at that battle happening right there. We're still not closing above it. Rejected. Rejected. We were never able to get above 5,977.25. Madam, do me a favor, set an alarm on your phone. 3:48 p.m. Make sure I'm not in anything, because the volatility gets extremely wild. Here we go. Let's see, still battling it. I don't like the consolidation. I just don't like all this sideways. It's been sideways within this zone for the longest. Let me mark my take profit here. Oh, I could do it here. It'll just show there. All right. And here we go. This will be automatic. We're up 212, 237, 250. Just 10 contracts, MES, 275. 287. You shouldn't look at that, but I know you all care about that, so what do you want me to do? I have to talk about something that you all obsess about. I don't care about this number. I don't care about that number. 262. 287. It's shuffling there for too long. Let's lock it in at 225. I'm out the trade. Shout out in the comment section if you took this trade, 225. I'm going to journal this. Drop a link if they want the journal. No discounts on books unless you're a mentorship student. No, I wouldn't stay in. That's it. Hit sell. Everyone hit sell. Hit sell. Hit sell. That's it. So let's do it. What's the date today, madam?
The 13th.
13th. Time?
3:35.
What time did I get in? It's the 1 minute time frame. I got in at 3:25. I got out at 3:34. Can you do the math on that? How long was I in this trade for? 3:34 minus 3:25. How many minutes is that? 9 minutes. Thank you. Very nice trade, Professor. Thank you. Nice trade. Thank you for coming up, Professor. Made a little bit. Mashallah. Yes, I did. Was green, small green. Mashallah. It was nice. Quick one. Great trade. Thank you, Professor. I should have stayed in, got in with you, and FOMO kicked in. It's okay. We good now. Made a little bit. Congratulations. Just hit sell. This is a strong level zone. A lot of consolidation. So everyone should be journaling right now. If you don't have this, my assistant just dropped the book. You must journal and actively monitor. We're going to talk about this trade. I will not be live at 8 p.m. tonight. I'm doing it live now. What's the point of doing a breakdown? I'm going to do it now. So stay with me. We're going to break down the whole trade. By the way, madam, good job I hit sell or not a good job I hit sell? Good job we hit sell or not a good job? Come on. I'm going to answer everyone's question. I got you. I got you. But let me journal right now. Hold on. My entry was 5,976.25. Exit was 5,971.75. Stop loss was above zone. Shares, 10 contracts. Profit loss, $225. I was short. It was a win. Let me just do everything that I changed. No. Yeah. 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 All right. So now, again, if you're not going to journal, what do you want me to tell you? God bless. God bless. Y'all watch the stream. So now, here's my question. Oh, I wasn't done. I had to explain something. Look at that. By the way, if you didn't hit sell, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you if you... Oh, damn. If you didn't hit sell, I don't know what to tell you. Because damn, right there. Look at that. I got out right at the bottom of my zone because I know my zones are fire. All right, let me ask some questions, but I want to go over something. Make sure I go over what I wanted to go over. It's about the season I'm about to create. Professor, did you set a buy limit to get you out? Yes, but I got out myself because I saw it was fumbling there. I was looking at multiple time frames on the Z Fold 6, Tomas. Just a random question, but is there a reason to trade on the Z Fold or just a preference? What's his name? Uptown. Massive screen, bro. And then a small phone. What up, Professor? Was locked in watching all your videos, ordering the book this week. Your information is peak. I love your style. Keep teaching. You have no idea how much you helped me. Appreciate you, Majin. Very good. Good job. Very good for hitting sell. Thank you. I didn't let becoming a professor and the trader Malik get in the way. Damn. Did not take a trade the whole day. Didn't see the volume fit my criteria. Would have taken the drop at 2 but it wasn't feeling. Got you. A lot of sideways. Yep. I've been having such a hard time getting out of a trade when it's not showing progress in my direction. I'm guessing it's ego. Yes, it is Storm. You're welcome, Tomas. Leave the lives on IG and stuff. It's okay. So now let's talk about it, right? I'm done with that trade, but I want to talk about something with you guys. And this is something that I need feedback for because this is the last time you're seeing me again. Season finale. This is season finale of the lives on YouTube because I'm going to Mexico. Tuesday. I will be live on Tuesday. 8 p.m. in Mexico from Mexico. I was about to say the city. So, yeah, I'll still be live. Don't think I'm leaving, guys. So let's talk about something. How long did you say I was a trade for, madam? I got in at 3:25, got it at 3:34. 9 minutes.
Yeah.
Guys, I was in this trade for 9 minutes. Stay with me here. So in 9 minutes, I made roughly $225, and I just did 10 contracts on a sideways action right here. Stay with me here. Realistically, if you can make that and more consistently, would you be able to give up your 9-to-5 jobs? Of course, you'll take losses. Those days where you'll make $250, $650, $750. Will you be able to give up your 9-to-5 job? Flood the chat. That's what I want to know, and that's the next thing I want to film for you when I'm in Mexico, right? I'm going to record everything, every trade, every entry, every exit, and I'm going to July 1st, July 31st, and August 1st, each episode will drop every single day. You don't have to wait Saturday 12 p.m. Give me feedback on what you want to see. I'm going to use prop firms, so you weirdos can't say paper trading. I'm going to use prop firms, show everything, no hidden agendas. I'm going to show it all. Nice job, Professor. Check my levels with yours. It's so close to yours. Your book is amazing. Nice job. Been profitable since your book. Thank you, Gilvadas. Thank you. Professor, looks like TraderBase shows the entries and exits you took. Yep, right there. Can you please do the zones again? Jonathan, not on the live, bro. I'm sorry, Jonathan. Not on the live. I'm not doing it in front of watchers. Do me a favor. Go on the secret Instagram. Find me that video. I'll repost it on the secret Instagram.
I need my other phone.
No, you have, madam, you have the secret Instagram. You're in there. Go to the private videos on the highlights and find that video. Jonathan, I'll have my assistant have it ready and I'll post it on the secret Instagram. Hello, Professor. What is your candle settings in TV? I don't know what that means. Candle settings TV? I use Heiken Ashi. It's all in this book of mine. My assistant will drop the link to get this book. Safe travels. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Just hit sell. That's incredible to make 225 in 9 minutes. That is life-changing. If we can be consistent and make sure we cut losses short. Justin, that's what I want to do for 30 days and show everything I do. I'm not going to show you how to make levels, or I'm not going to show you that. But I mean entries and exits and live trading and everything. Look at all this chop. By the way, wrap it up. Good job I hit sell?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a 10 for 1 with MES, ES? I don't know, Storm. I don't trade ES. I can't comment. I'm sorry, I'm late to class. Where can I buy your book? My assistant just dropped the link to the book. My assistant just dropped the link. Novice. Yes, sir. Thanks. You're welcome, Jonathan. Boom. All right. So now, let's break down the trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's break down the trade. Let's go. Hey, I'm getting botted again. My brother. Okay, 1,000 people are not watching. 1,200 people. Are you going to miss me, my brother? I'm going to be gone for 3 months. Don't miss me too much, okay? Fake likes, fake bots. God bless you, bro. God, you've been upset at me for 1 month. Professor, is trading futures haram? Nope. Sorry, Professor. TV meaning trading view. Yes. Hi, Ganeshi. Let's talk about it. Can't wait to follow along with that series of content of your 30-day. Thank you, Justin. Let's talk about it. So if you can see, we've had a lot of sideways action. I have multiple levels here. Boom. Now, if you notice, Chop City, sideways consolidation. I got in right here. Ultimately, I wanted to be fully below 5,977.25. And here, I'll zoom in. 9-minute trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ultimately, we did not get stopped out because we did not get over my key level of resistance. Stayed below. I had on my Z Fold 6 multiple time frames open. So I noticed that this was shuffling here. It was not going to break. So then I got out, as you see, 10 contracts. Pumped back up. This would have been bad. And then sideways again. And now it is back within that area. But I'm not touching it, because the volatility is about to get wild in 6 minutes. So that's a wrap on my end right here. Ask me any finale questions about anything you want, YouTube family. Please move over to Instagram today. Here's my Instagram. I only have one. Where is it? Right there. Right here. Day Trade Professor. I only have one Instagram. Blue check mark. The picture is me like this. Like that. So. All right, let me answer. Ask me everything now, because you will not see me on YouTube Live until September. I'll be back in the... What's up? Right here. Ready? Go here. Private class. Click on private class. There's a playlist of all my videos for the secret Instagram. Click on that. Yeah, I'll help you. We have everything. Everything is in here. We got your prop firm video. Boom. I'll help you after with the live. Yo, this bot, dude. It's okay. Leave him. Do you teach levels in your book? Yes. My assistant will drop the link. This book teaches you how to make levels and zones. I'll show you. Right here. Support resistance, buy and sell zones. I do it all in this book. He was in the other videos I was watching yesterday. Bro, a mascot. I know, it's okay. Such a tiny movement feels like a gamble. That's why you hit sell, Roxy. That bot guy's here he's been here for 1 month attacking my lives. It's okay. He has 3 months off. I won't be here for 3 months. Professor, I've been using indicators alongside your strategy and seeing good results. Should I continue using them or solely? Just don't deviate from candles, David. Just don't deviate from candles. By the way, look, we're back. We're back at my official exit without heartburn or high blood pressure. And look, that would have been take profit and out the trade right there. But I'm not in it. I'm happy I didn't get caught in this, because I know my haters are actively waiting. When the markets are always so choppy when you're live. LOL. Looking forward to that. I know, Tomas. It's okay. I still came out green. Looking forward to the August content. Thank you. I made one level today in real. I made level 1 trade today in my real money account. Coming out paper. Nice. Professor, had you traded euro before? I don't do forex. Can you please talk about the candle that you saw that made you know how to go short? Downtrend, multiple time frames. Aaron, look at your Aaron. You're my mentorship student. Have the cheat sheet out. I'm not going to show you on camera. The one I gave you. Look at where it says candles. It's been easy for me to pass the combines, but once I get to what does XFA mean? Okay. I have such huge FOMO. Tend to get in when I shouldn't. Plan, become guessing, blow my account fast. Okay. Professor, what makes you stay more on the trade? And what makes you out of it? What makes me stay longer if the direction is in my way? Khalil? And what makes you from when the direction starts shifting, even though it feels, I look at multiple time frames. Safe travel, Preston. See you back in September. I'll be watching through Instagram. Thank you, Fredo. I'll see you on Instagram. Tuesday, I'll be live on Tuesday on Instagram from Mexico. 4-acre private resort. Booked the entire thing for 3 months. Just me and my traders. So I'll see most of you there. You can still, madam, drop the Mexico mentorship there. If anyone wants to come and learn how to do all of it. My assistant will drop the link. By the way, it's back at the original spot. Damn those levels, bro. You can learn it too. You can learn it too. My assistant just dropped the link. No. Drop it from Mexico. Click the link at the seminar. Click on the one to sign up for Mexico. Nice job, Professor. Been profitable since your book. I'm glad my levels get very similar to you. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you.
But the dates are here.
No, it's okay. No, but they can see what the mansion looks like, the resort looks like.
Oh, you want the...
Yeah, so they can see it. Yeah, Control V. Guys, if you want to see what the Mexico stuff, if you want to come and learn from me, there's the link to the Mexico mentorship, live trading, breaking down everything. Breakfast together, dinner together. By the way, look, it's back again in it. My levels were fire, but are my zones fire? Tell me the zones are fire. Excited for the prop firm videos? I got you. I got you in August. Do you still recommend using the 20 and 9 while trading? I don't use the 9. Professor, I was in a trade, was down, and I got back in the same trade, then got greedy and lost what I got back because I thought it was going. You're living in a fantasy world. Just hit sell. XFA means express funded account. It's where you're able to take payouts after you pass the combine. Got you. I don't know anything about. I just started testing this prop stuff because everyone keeps asking me. I'm glad to see we have the same levels, but I entered way too early. Understood. Can't wait to have you back in September. See you in September. Oh, September, I'll see you in New York. Yes, Jonathan, you'll come back to class in New York. Luckily, it only took me to lose $20 to end in your live and videos. Luckily, it only took me to lose $20 to end in your live and videos. What does that mean? To find me? I'm glad.
Yeah.
What do you trade, sir? Futures. Best mentor ever. Thank you, Imagine. All right. By the way, played out perfectly again. I'm going to say one thing to you, and then I'm going to end this live. I will not be live tonight, madam. Listen very carefully.
But the Quran.
Oh, the Quran. Yes, sorry. Listen very carefully. This is possible. In 9 minutes, with just 10 contracts. Look how much I made. By the way, I'm not going to say how much I made today. I made a little bit. I traded NQ. I made a little bit. You will have infinite opportunities in the market. By the way, X and Instagram, I'm not ignoring you. I'm on YouTube. That's more important right now. But I'll see you guys on Instagram. I'll be live. X, I won't be live for a long time for you. But Instagram, I'll be live on Tuesday in Mexico. So Tuesday. I'll be there by, Tuesday you'll see me. There are infinite opportunities in the market. You've never missed any opportunity. What opportunity did you miss? Another one showed up again. Look at that. Close below, take profit. Another opportunity. By the way, look what I told you about the volatility that kicks in at 350.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
I didn't want to be there. So stop thinking you've missed on anything. You have a limited, broke employee mindset. I just want to help you understand if you can't afford anything, my assistant will drop the link in the chat right now for the free course, daytradeprofessor.com. It's free. Don't buy nothing. Don't come to Mexico. Don't come to New York. Don't buy the books. Use the free course and change the trajectory of your life. Because I did this live. And yes, my haters, I love water. I'm drinking it right now. I got you. Sorry. I don't only drink it when I'm in the red. I'll drink it right now. I'm sorry. I drink it on good days too. Professor, I will invite you to African Safari. I'll be in Madagascar in 2026. Dang, those levels, zones, I know. Will you let us know what profit? Yeah, let me test everything out and understand it before I can teach it. Of course, I'm gonna tell you guys everything. Come on, you guys stop it. Like I don't show you guys all of it. Sir, I can't control my feelings when I trade. Well, then you're a weak man. Hey, Professor, do you always use Hakidashi? Yes. What's the difference between how to be a consistent trader and just hit sell? This book teaches you everything you need to know about trading A to Z. This helps you master hitting sell. Goes over futures, crypto, Forex, everything. I did my research and did a full comprehensive breakdown. No discount codes. Don't ask for it. You'll get blocked. Thank you, Professor. You're the best. I appreciate you, Tomas. Still not entering perfectly. I love your mentorship, sir. Don't know if you can get one book here in my country or Amazon. My assistant will drop the link. Can you drop the link for Trade Rat? You can buy the books at the link. Professor predicted war when they weren't even talking on mainstream media. Hey, I appreciate you, Ali. Yes, I said the war with Iran and Israel were going to happen. That was going to rock the markets, and you saw what happened last night. Professor predicted. I appreciate you remembering. What is the best broker? I'm testing some out with, what do you call these? Prop firms. So give me some time. Professor, I hit all green this week. Let's go, Chris. I use a trade based on time in nine sequence. I don't know what 9 sequence means. Professor, I have a question. Which page would you suggest for making the entries better in the book? Page 58 and 60. Buy and sell zones and support and resistance. I love the reading and then the boom, honest response. These are fun, thank you, of course. Show us your opinion. I already did. Just rewind the content. Bro can't control his feelings. You're cooked. Yeah, if you can't control your feelings, you're cooked. Professor, I appreciate all you do. Thank you. This is Mangesh. Oh, Mangesh! My bad, bro. What did you ask me? I didn't know who you were. Let me see. Mangesh is a mentorship student, so I want to respect his question. Where'd he go? Okay. Still not. Papi, come back to class in September. You just graduated in June. And you think, today's what, June 16th?
13.
In 13 days, Mangesh? 13 days. Come back to class September, Mangesh. How much you made? I think I made 200 something, Tony. Just rewind the live, Tony. Hey, Tony. Bro, he did predict the war. I commented on that live yesterday. Cool. I remember a lot of Palantir, 510, you the man. I told everyone to buy Palantir at $5, yeah? Get the book, thank you, Professor. All right, Quran time. Where am I? There we go. All right. Look at that. Come on, look at the level. Look at that. Madam, look at that.
Yeah.
Back. What opportunity did you miss? What opportunity did you miss? What opportunity did you miss? All right, random page out the Quran and boom. Chapter 13, thunder, a rod. Verse 36, the believers among those who were given the scripture rejoice at what has been revealed to you, O prophet. While some disbelieving factions deny a portion of it, say, I have only been commanded to worship God, associating none with him in worship. To him and I invite all, and to him is my return. And so we have revealed it as an authority in Arabic. And if you were to follow their desires after all the knowledge that has come to you, there will be none to protect or shield you from God. Everything in God's timing. If you're not understanding how to trade, all of it, in due time, in due time, in due time. Listen, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for being here for this season, year 5 of social media lives, Instagram. I will be back in September for you, YouTube family. But every Saturday, a video drops. But August 1st, everything will drop more often. Puerto Rico mentorship videos are dropping every Saturday, 12 p.m. Go give them some love. If you don't watch them, get the views, and this doesn't have a reason for me to create content for you, right? So oh damn, all these questions came out of nowhere. Let me answer. Why should we choose MES? Gentle mover. I'm getting tired of getting green, then losing. I then tend to go on tilt and restart. Start yellow. Taking that as an ego, it is. How can I get better? Storm, just come to class. Just come to class, Storm. Much love, Professor. Love. Thank you, Tony, for posting me on your stories every day. Thank you. There is no strategy in this market. It's all about psychology. There's no strategy in the market. All right, I'm gonna block this guy because he doesn't know what he's talking about, and I don't need people like him around me. There's no strategy. Without a strategy, you have nothing. Bye, Mirakovsky. You're blocked. I can't have people like you with that mindset here. That's a dangerous mindset. No strategy works. It's all psychology. My brother, people, flood the chat. If this is all psychology or this was strategy. Key levels of resistance. Major zones. Buy within, sell within. Battle within. Tell me this is not strategy. This guy needs to go. That's why I blocked him. Thank you for not stopping me. I know you like to stop me from blocking people, but thank you for not. I can't have people like this. Enjoy the weekend, Professor. I'm gonna get a ribeye. Let's go. Still one contract. Did go on tilt a few days ago. Well then, journal, bro. Mangesh, journal. Just to sell. Thank you for the profit. You're welcome. Saw the levels, Professor. Thanks for reading the Quran. Of course, Luke. I love how you're not even a Muslim and you love that I read the Quran. I appreciate that. God bless you, Luke. Okay, remember this PO9, Professor, trading base. I don't know what is PO9? No Quran, Jesus is king. I love Jesus. What the hell? Block him, please. I'll block him. No Quran. Okay, no worries. This is why I read it. So people like you can be wiped off my lives. I love Jesus. What are you talking about? As a Muslim, we love Jesus. Mother Mary, all that. You're just clueless. But it's okay. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. I blame your parents. Playing with you. I know you are. Amen. Amen. Thank you, God. God bless. God bless. You're a gift. Of course. It's true, Professor. I only drank Professor's free course, Kool-Aid, and 60 days later, small wins are consistent. Roxy, God bless you and your damn dog. Strategy, that guy is a cancer. Good job to block him. Of course, Alfredo. I can't have you guys see nonsense. Come on. No damn well we'll have a good trip. It's candles, levels, multiple time. What pages in the book are you talking about? Building strategies. It's the whole book, Aaron. You really don't know what he's talking about. I don't believe in luck. I believe in strategy. That's what I'm saying. That's why I need to block these kind of people. Strategy was on point. Thank you, Justin. Thank you. How do you suggest dealing with taking one more trade? Go get a life. Get busy. Get active. Do something. Go get a job that you like. People say 9 to 5s are bad. Go get a job you like. Chris, simplicity is key. Levels, candles, multiple time frames. That's all I need to hear. Sitting, starting with $50 a day, 100, then 200. Question for you, Professor. Would you use 10 or 20s scalping? Stick with 10. I wouldn't be able to follow while you are away, Professor, since I can't find you on IG. So see you. Samson, it's right here. Day trade Professor, blue check mark. Professor strategy is the best. All strategies are good, Game Boy. All strategies are good. You just learned to hit sell. All right, guys, thank you all so much for being here. I will see you Tuesday. I'm not going anywhere. Just these lives. I won't be in the country for 3 months. That's the power of trading. Allows me to disappear for a long, long time. I'll see you Tuesday, 8 p.m. on Instagram.